How to manage orders on Gelato. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can manage orders on Gelato. So how do you manage orders? It is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Gelato account, just like I've done here. Then move to the left side of the screen where you can see options like home, products catalog, orders, stores, personalization studio. Then click on orders. So on this page, you would see everything about your orders in here, which includes all your orders, pending approval of orders, not connected orders, on hold, failed, draft, pass, production, printed, etc. All right, you can see as many categories as possible. So with this page, you can go ahead to manage anything about your order. You can view all of your orders here. You can perform various actions like approving orders on this same page. You can cancel order, you can check the statuses, you can reorder, you can update order details. So this page, monitor the progress of your orders to ensure that they are being processed and shipped on time. All right, and everything would be everything will be workable and very smooth and easy to do. So this is how you can manage your order on Gelato. Gelato has made it very simple in a way that you can manage all of your orders in one page. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.